Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. So here the let's celebrate this chapter, the exercise part we already completed almost up to question number B. But C is the rest of the part which is we will start today. Okay, and after it we can finish the chapter. But this 12th chapter, let's celebrate this chapter. Open it at page number 67. Page number 67. And there the question number C, fill in the blanks. Here is that we couldn't complete the your previous online class, so that's why we will do this today now in your this offline class. So that is question C, and question 1 is, take your copy book with you at first, which I already told you that you have to write the answer in your copy book. Okay. So here fill in the blanks. So first question is, on dash pupil go to a Gurudwara. Okay, so when the pupil go to the Gurudwara, you already learnt about those holidays, right? That festivals which we celebrate with our family and friends. So on dash pupil go to Gurudwara. So on Guru Purab. On Guru Purab. So here is your answer. On Guru Purab, pupil go to a Gurudwara. Okay. Now go to the question number 2. That is, dash is celebrated. Dash is celebrated. Dash is celebrated after a holy month. After a holy month. After a holy month of fasting. So here is one of the celebration, one of the festival which we celebrated, which some people celebrated after a holy month of fasting. So there is a holy month, so that's very holy for them, and they fasting. They were fasting that time in this month. So after this period of time, they celebrate this festival. So which is it? Dash is celebrated after a holy month of fasting, and this is Eid. This is Eid, E-I-D. So Eid is celebrated after a holy month of fasting. Okay. Now go to the question number 3. Hope you all copied those two answers in your copy book, because I have to erase it now. So first one is, on Guru Purab, pupil go to Gurudwara. Second one is, Eid is celebrated after a holy month of fasting. Okay. Now I am erasing these things. Go to the question number 3. Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. So which things we celebrated on 2nd October? You know this, right? Because I already discussed yesterday in your online class. That is Gandhi Jayanti. That is Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. You know that day our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji was born. on 2nd October. So that's why we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. Next question number 4. We have lots of fun. We have lots of fun on dash days. So tell me what will be the answer. We have lots of fun on dash days. That's too easy. We have lots of fun on festive days. On festive days. So here also we completed the question C. So question 3 answer is, hope you all copy this. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, and 4, we have lots of fun on festive days. We also celebrated this with our family and friends. Okay, so here the question time we completed. Here is the doing time. Here you can see at the end of the page there is a doing time, and you have to do this. You can do these things in your book, or you can draw the lines that which festivals will the following children celebrate. And here are some dresses which indicate that celebration, indicate the festivals. That first of all, so first of the things, one man is wearing white dress, white pajama, white kurta and white topi on his head. So here are 4 festivals, that is Eid, Christmas, Guru Purab and Diwali. So here we can see that Eid is the perfect match with the man, right? Second one is a boy who has the pagri, who has the turban on his head, and we can see that that is the main things of the Guru Purab. Okay, so that is matching with the Guru Purab. And next is the one small boy is standing, and we can see that is matched with Diwali. And the last one, that is one boy who is wearing a chain and his locket also. So that things we can match with the Christmas. Okay, so that is your doing things, doing time. You have to do this at your home. Okay everyone, so we completed this chapter, this text part, this exercise part we completed, and your next class we will start the new chapter. So that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye.